Hi, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I have for you another Cut It to Create It card share. If you're new to my channel and don't know what Cut It to Create It is, they're just free templates that I place on my blog where you can use one sheet of designer series paper, which is 12 by 12 pattern paper, to create some different cards. I do share this template on my blog for free, but if you're interested in getting specific details on how I created these cards, you can purchase that tutorial for $5. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cards. I'm just going to show them to you as a set, and then I'll talk about how I designed them. So this set uses the Tropical Oasis Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up! And it's a pack of 12 sheets of paper, and they're each double-sided, and you get 2 of each design. So I love how this paper just has that really fun tropical feeling. Okay, so that's the first set. Let's go ahead and do this set next. This set is made with the Lilly Impressions Designer Series paper. And this paper was a celebration item. And so you're not able to get this paper anymore. Celebration lasts between January through March of each year at Stampin' Up! So this paper has a more plain pattern that's kind of like painting. And so that's where you're getting that darker blue. For this last group of cards, I've used 2 different packs of designer series paper. The first one is the Magnolia Lane, and that's where we're getting this beautiful flower pattern. And then this black pattern comes from the Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper. And this paper is also a celebration item, and so it's not available anymore. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about these cards. So these are the first ones that I made, and I used, so these are the first ones that I made, and I created them all to be the same because both patterns can go either horizontal or vertical. And so you can tell that these 2 cards have been designed similarly, just swapping the papers. Same with these cards and these ones. Now, if you're interested in knowing exactly which products I've used, you can go ahead and purchase that $5 PDF tutorial, and it will give you all the products and walk you through how to create these cards. So this one, this paper kind of has a vertical feeling to it. And so when I cut it, I needed to be able to use them both ways. And so that's how we came up with some different positioning of the greetings. So you'll notice that these are the exact same layout, but one has been turned horizontally and one has been turned vertically. So that's what we've done here. So we've got 2 that are the same, but one's been turned. And then we've done the same thing here. And that's just because the paper, again, the paper has a specific direction. And then the same with this birthday one. Okay, and so for our last one, this paper also has that strong pattern. And so we had to flip it on its side. Oh, that's not the right one. So here we go. And then we've got this one. Now this one is a 4x4 piece of paper, and so it can really go any direction. It just depends on which direction that strip needs to be. This is my preferred layout. I really like how it is a horizontal card with that larger piece on the left. And so because this is my preferred way, I did both of them this direction instead of switching it up. And then this is the birthday one. Again, if you're interested in receiving the free template or purchasing the $5 PDF tutorial, you can visit my blog, and the link for that is in the description below. Thanks for stopping by. Have a creative day. Bye.